Home remedies for an odorless kitchen and bathroom. Everyone wants a home free of germs and bad odors. But it's easier said than done. When we cook, for example, vapors and residues stick to surfaces. And this is just the start of unpleasant aromas at home. Then, how can you deal with bad odors in the bathroom? Easy? Simply prepare home remedies to keep your kitchen and bathroom smelling fresh. The kitchen is one of the most busy and well-used areas of the house. All kinds of vapors condense there, some pleasant and others not. Waste decomposes and the layer of dirt, sometimes invisible, can become a risk for physical and emotional health. In the bathroom, the main enemy is damp. The room is closed, with little ventilation, there are wet towels that are anything but odorless. The majority of conventional air fresheners harm the environment. However, there are some tricks that we can apply at home to deodorize spaces. Tips for an odorless kitchen and bathroom. Before, during and after cooking it is necessary to ventilate the room. And, of course, throw out the trash. Afterwards it is important to make sure that strong smells don't get trapped. So, it helps to switch on the extraction hood. Additionally, follow one or more of these practical and simple pieces of advice. Infusions. In the kitchen we have good allies, including vinegar, bicarbonate of soda and orange or mandarin peels. It is enough to put the peels in water and boil them for a few minutes to attain the desired effect. Lemon. You can put lemon peels in a container with water and put it in the oven or microwave, to eliminate the smell of fried foods. You can also put lemon in the oil to absorb the smells. Also, lemon juice helps remove and clean up kitchen grease. Spices, clove, cinnamon and vanilla help humidify the space. Cinnamon has a relaxing, sweet effect and vanilla essence mixed with a little water can be used to clean furniture and floors. Coffee. Whole coffee beans banish bad odors. Simply place coffee beans in the corners of the kitchen. Coffee exudes a pleasant aroma that spreads throughout the home. Plants. Some plants like thyme, rosemary, mint and basil, planted in small plant pots, offer a natural aroma. Home air fresheners. You can put infusions of spices in a spray bottle and use them easily. For example, citrus fruits, orange or lemon, combine very well with ground cinnamon and white vinegar. Cleaning. Try to clean the fridge regularly. You can renew the air by putting a lemon or orange cut in half inside. Goodbye to bad odors in the bathroom. It's not enough to have lovely, comfortable home if there's a bad smell in the bathroom. To compensate this situation, it should be cleaned frequently and you can use some home remedies. Stop damp. Having a good smell in the bathroom will depend on the essential factor of preventing damp. To this end you can put some small portions of rice, chalk or vegetable coal in a container. Drying towels. It is important to hang them up after each use because putting them away damp will give them a bad odor. It is recommended that you change them once a week, wash them and soften them with a splash of vinegar. Perfume the room with natural essences. Dried flower petals are ideal for perfuming rooms. Mix them and put them out in a bowl or a little bag. Their fragrance can be enhanced with a little alcohol or rose essence. Orange or lemon peel are also useful for this part of the house, especially accompanied by coarse salt. Take advantage of bicarbonate of soda. This product is an excellent odor neutralizer. It is used to spray onto curtains, carpets, shelves and even shoes that retain damp. Use vinegar. Vinegar, as well as getting rid of odors, also leaves tiles clean and shiny. It stops and eliminates the production of fungi and mold, which are common in this area. Achieving a good odor in the kitchen and bathroom isn't so complicated. The key is in cleaning and making good use of all available resources. They are cheap solutions which give satisfactory results.